So what goes into having really clean and beautiful windows? It's not as easy as you might think. That's why I'm here with Paul from Blue Ocean Window Cleaning once again. And we're going a little bit deeper today into some of the tools of the trade and why they're so important. And also we're going to cover some hard to reach windows or some specialty windows. But first let's start with the tools of the trade. You've mentioned before to me an 8-foot pole. What does that do?
Yeah, well, if you have a window that's just a little out of reach, rather than bringing maybe a 4-foot step ladder, you can have a pole that extends, put your squeegee on it, and do the very same work that you would if you were right there, easily accessible. So there's a variety of poles that are available, but typically you're going to end up with, if it's a high window, you're going to get a ladder out. And there are ladders available that are 20 feet, 24 feet, even up to 32 feet.
So those they're water-fed poles, by the way, right? Water goes through them and into the squeegee?
Well, that's a little different. The water-fed pole is a pole that has purified water running through it that we can actually clean a window that's 4 stories up.
Oh, okay.
And this pole extends and water goes through it and you scrub without having to get a ladder up there.
Wow, I didn't realize there was a difference between the two.
Yeah.
So with the hard-to-reach windows or stained glass or something along those lines, that's where you'd use the pole. And they take special care for those windows, correct?
Exactly, yeah.
Now, those are things where a homeowner, if they were trying to do it themselves, they might face damage or take a lot of risk. Also, getting up on the ladder is not a smart thing for a lot of people to do.
Well, it's not the easiest thing to do to take a 28-foot ladder inside of a house and get it set up when you've got furniture and knickknacks around.
Yeah, and when you've analyzed, as I've looked at it, for the price of having you come in and do a professional cleaning versus a bucket bob, there's no comparison because there's so much more value. Yeah. But as opposed to doing it yourself and not maybe getting the right results, because nobody's going to go invest in the tools that you have.
Yeah.
And how long does it take for somebody that comes under your training and tutelage to become proficient?
I would want somebody working with one of my trainers effectively for 6 months before I really would be comfortable sending them out. They need to see every kind of scenario.
Yeah, and to become a master, you've told me before, it takes about a year. Yeah. So these are things that the average homeowner was never going to learn. That's why I highly endorse Blue Ocean Window Cleaning. You're going to get the best possible results, save your own aggravation, and you're going to see clearly when you call Blue Ocean through Approved Home Pros.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe.
You'll have full access to see all our videos. From quick tips to full episodes, it's all at your disposal.
That's right. You'll get great information for all your home improvement projects, but even better, you'll have contact information on hand when you need some help.
All the trusted pros in the network are great resources to have. So hit the subscribe button below and check out more videos.